हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे 5th क्लास की मॉरल का 6th चैप्टर डोंट बी ग्रीडी. किंग मिडास एंड गोल्डन टच. Many years ago, there lived a king named Midas. King Midas had one little daughter, whose name was Marigold. King Midas was very rich. It was said that he had more gold than any other king in the world. One room of his great castle was almost filled with yellow gold pieces. At last, the king grew so fond of gold that he loved it better than anything else in the world. He even loved it better than his own daughter, dear little rosy cheeked Marigold. His one great wish seemed that he liked to hoard more and more gold. One day, while he was in his counting his money, a beautiful fairy stood before him. The fairy's face shone with a wonderful light, and she had wings on her cap and wings on her feet. In her hand, she carried a strange looking wand, and the wand also had wings. Midas, you are the richest man in the world. Yes, fairy ne bola, said the fairy. There is no king who has so much gold as you have. फेरी ने बोला कि जितना गोल्ड आपके पास है उतना गोल्ड किसी के भी पास नहीं है. दैट मे बी, सेड द किंग. एज यू सी, आई हैव दिस रूम फुल ऑफ गोल्ड, बट आई लाइक मच मोर. फॉर गोल्ड इज द बेस्ट एंड द मोस्ट वंडरफुल थिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. आर यू श्योर? आस्क्ड द फेरी. फेरी ने पूछा, क्या तुम श्योर हो? किंग ने बोला, हाँ मैं श्योर हूँ. इफ़ आई ग्रांट यू वन विश, सेड द फेरी, वुड यू आस्क फॉर मोर गोल्ड? फेरी ने पूछा कि अगर मैं तुमसे कहूँगी कि मुझसे एक कोई विश मांगो तो क्या तुम मुझसे गोल्ड के लिए बोलोगे? इफ़ आई कुड हैव बट वन विश, सेड द किंग, आई वुड आस्क दैट एवरीथिंग आई टच शुड टर्न इनटू गोल्ड. किंग ने बोला कि अगर मेरी कोई विश होती तो मैं ये कहता कि मैं जिस भी चीज़ को छूऊँ वो गोल्ड में बदल जाए. योर विश शैल बी ग्रांटेड, सेड द फेरी. एट सनराइज टुमारो मॉर्निंग योर टच विल टर्न एवरीथिंग इनटू गोल्ड. बट आई वॉर्न यू दैट योर गिफ्ट मे नॉट मेक यू हैप्पी. फेरी ने बोला कि कल से तुम जिस भी चीज़ को छुओगे वो गोल्ड में बदल जाएगी. आई विल टेक द रिस्क, सेड द किंग. द नेक्स्ट डे किंग मिडास अवोक वेरी अर्ली. He was eager to see if the fairy's promise had come true. As soon as the sun arose, he tied the gift by touching the bed lightly with his hand. The bed turned into gold. जब सुबह हुई तो किंग ने बेड को टच किया और जो बेड है वो गोल्ड में बदल गया. He then touched the chair and the table. फिर उसने चेयर और टेबल को टच किया. That very instant they were turned into solid gold. The king was wild with joy. He ran around the room, touching everything he could see. His magic gift turned everything into shining yellow gold. The king soon felt hungry and went down to eat his breakfast. Now another strange thing happened. When he raised a glass of clear cold water to drink, it became solid gold. Not a drop of water could pass his lips. The bread turned into gold under his fingers. The meat was hard and yellow and shiny. Not a thing could be get to eat. All was gold, gold, gold. His little daughter came running in from the garden. Of all living creatures, she was the dearest to him. He touched her with his lips. At once the little girl was changed into a golden statue. अब किंग जो भी चीज़ को टच कर रहा था वो गोल्ड में बदल रही थी. तो फिर किंग की डॉटर आती है गार्डन में से और जब किंग अपनी डॉटर को टच करता है तो वो भी गोल्ड में बदल जाती है. A great fear crept into the king's heart, sweeping all the joy out of his life. In his grief, he called and called upon the fairy, who had given him the gift of the golden touch. अब वो बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हो गया था, परेशान हो गया था, इसलिए वो फेरी को बुलाना चाहता था. ओ फेरी, he begged, take away this horrible golden gift. Take all my lands, take all my gold, take everything. Only give me back my little daughter. In a moment, the beautiful fairy was standing before him. Do you still think that gold is the greatest thing in the world? asked the fairy. अब फेरी ने पूछा, क्या तुम्हें अब भी लगता है कि जो गोल्ड है वो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट थिंग है इस पूरे वर्ल्ड में? तो किंग ने बोला, नहीं नहीं, अब मुझे गोल्ड बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. आर यू श्योर दैट यू नो लॉन्गर विश द गोल्डन टच? asked the fairy. I have learnt my lesson, said the king. I no longer think gold to be the greatest thing in the world. Very well, said the fairy. Take this pitcher to the spring in the garden and fill it with water. Then sprinkle those things which you have touched and turned into gold. The king took the pitcher and rushed to the spring. Running back, he first sprinkled the hat of his dear little girl. Instantly, she became his own darling Marigold again and gave him a kiss. The king sprinkled the golden food, and to his great joy, it turned back to real bread and real butter. Then he and his little daughter sat down to take breakfast. How good the cold water tasted! How eagerly the hungry king ate the bread and butter, the meat and the all good food. The king hated his golden touch so much that he sprinkled even the chair, the tables, and everything else that the fairy gift had turned into gold. Thank you.